Globe is a deployment tool you didn't know you need. It's lightweight, fast, and built for the Dart and Flutter ecosystem. In this quick video, I will show you why Globe is the simplest way to deploy your Dart app in just 2 commands. Globe makes deploying Dart apps ridiculously easy. Just activate the CLI and run globe deploy to make it alive. That's it. It's all about simplicity and speed. No complex setup, no taking configuration files. This is exactly what developers need. Tools that accelerate your workflow. Globe offers first-class integration with essential tools and frameworks in the Dart and Flutter ecosystems. Whether you are using Melos, Dartfrog, BuildHunter, or other popular tools, Globe is designed to work with them. For example, Globe provides sample code for various approaches, including I/O, Dart, Frog, and Shelf, showcasing its flexibility across different development styles. One of my favorite features, and what truly amazed me, was how Globe CLI detects Flutter in your project and automatically applies a relevant framework present to your settings. This level of automation is incredible. It's literally zero configuration. As developers, we often appreciate tools that just works, and Globe hits the mark here. Globe is open source, created and maintained by Invertase, a company well known for its commitment to the Flutter ecosystem and developer community. This open approach not only fosters trust, but also allows developers to contribute to the platform growth and improvement. To sum it up, Globe is fast, simple, and developer friendly. If you are building with Dart or Flutter, it's definitely worth a try.